Hi guys, what's up everybody? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and good whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to the Sifai channel. Today we are doing something different. Actually it's a cooking vlog. Yeah, so today we're going to cook. The reason why I'm vlogging outside right now is because there's a bit of noise in the house, but I'm going to take care of it. And yeah, so let's go ahead and cook. Yes, I hope you enjoy. Wow, I like my hair, by the way, and forget about the forehead. Yeah, yeah. Yes, forget about the forehead, but I love my hair. At least I'm done looking like a homeless girl. I'm done. So at least I got my hair braided and all good. So thank you so much for the love and for the support, and we are doing this. So let's go. Let's see what we are cooking today. Yeah, let's see. So guys, we're here in the kitchen. Obviously ukiona fish masala we cannot be making chicken. So yeah, today we're making fish and ugali and greens. So the fish is in the microwave, that's why there's a bit of noise. It's actually defrosting. Yeah, there you can see. Then these are the ingredients that we're going to use. There is salt, curry powder, these are Royco cube. I actually realized that you can't use 2 Royco cubes and use curry powder. The food is going to be so salty or too salty. Yeah. So, and then there's fish masala, there's turmeric, there's paprika, there's garam masala. Oh my god, garam masala is everything in every food. The normal ingredients, of course, zenye sio spices. There's this vitungu. I love so many onions in my food. And there's pepper, yellow and red. They look frozen because zimetoka kwa fridge. And there's nyanya, tomatoes as we call them. And then there's milk. Also we use cream from milk, but today we don't have it. This is an ingredient, mafuta ya kupika imewekwa kwa chupa. Yeah, African parents, thank you. So yeah, let's start. So first off, I'm going to prepare this. It looks kind of messy though, but as long as unajua ni kitunguu, nyanya and pepper, it is what it is. So we have a fish here. It's fish fillet actually. So I've just defrosted. What? Defrosted in English. I've just defrosted it, although nashuku in English, and I want to deep fry it first, and then we can go on with this other cooking. You don't have to deep fry it, but I tried cooking it that way, but I didn't like it, so let's try and deep fry it. Mafuta is ready. Now if you're a moga like me, just do one by one. The rest of the fish. this way, but I am not going to cook it now. Because the mafuta is too hot. Let's just put some water. Very ready. So we can do that in this one. Then put your oil here inside the sufuria, and then you heat kidogo, and then you go in with your onions first. Yeah. And wait for them to cook. It happens. Mtu anibaia tripod stand kama birthday tena. So let's wait for it to cook until it goes brown, golden brown, or yeah, golden brown. So the onions are ready. So we go in with the tomatoes. So here we are, we're almost there. And all the women out there, you cannot be waiting for nyanya ziive, and you have two other things to cook. So I'm gonna have to exchange gas. Nitakelea maji ugali there, we heat just before we are done with this. We are great multitaskers, so yeah, you get it. So we go in with the with the pepper. It's actually red and yellow. Unfortunately, we don't have the green pepper today. I don't know. Tulikula zote. So I'm only going to use the ones that are available. I'll give it a moment. I don't know, but today something is really off with this gas cooker. Either inaisha rice paper issue. It looks so colorful, right? As we wait for this to get ready, the ugali is shining, so we'll go in with our curry powder. Yeah. I'm not the kind to tell you 2 tablespoons or whatever, but as the Lord leadeth me, that is how much nitaweka, or maka nisikie my ancestors wakisema enough my shouts. So next we're going with the Royco cube, just one. You can either smash it before weke ndani or smash it from inside. Going with the salt, just enough. Shefali, give it a good mix, and then let me get something. So I said earlier, we're supposed to use cream, like this cream. Can you see? Should I put my hand here? Cream, any cream ya maziwa, like the normal maziwa. If you have a lot, the better, but ini kiasi sana, depending na the amount of fish I'm cooking. The amount, is that correct? Anyway, so you go in with your cream. I wish we had more, ingekuwa much better, but since we have that, we are going to work with what we have. And then our last ingredient of the day, no, our second last, is milk. Did I say we have milk? Maybe I forgot, but we're using milk instead of water. So there you go, just enough. I think I'm only going to use this 1 cup because it's big enough. And then we give it a good mix. Give it a good mix. It looks so good. Let me give you a closer look. You see, nanayo maziwa. So it looks so spicy, So we let the milk boil kiasi, and you heat your cream. So one way or another it dissolve. So let's wait for it to boil. Yeah, let's wait for it to boil, and then we put in the fish, and then we is done. It looks amazing. Yeah, so it's ready now. So we're going to go in with our fish, and it's not going to cook for long because the fish is already ready. Let the fish soak in the sauce. Okay, English. Surely. You Greece, what do you want with my rice? But that's basically it, or rather that's basically just basically basically that you mix so that the peppers zinaonekana. It's kind of kama we are getting ready to vurunya. Kuvurunya mwanangu. So yeah, so ikiwa hivyo iko ready, it's ready because the fish is ready. Fish imeiva, the sauce is good, so we're only going to give it like 2 minutes. Hata 2 ni mingi, just 30 seconds. Ikishaanza kuboil hivi, so ikiboil hivi kila mahali, is good to go. So acha ni prepare ugali in the next few minutes.
One eternity later.
So guys, it's all done. It's ready to eat and serve. I'm not so good at presentation, but you can see what it is. There's the ugali there, the skuma, and the fish here. We are ready to vurunya. So we are ready to vurunya. You can vurunya with your hands. You can vurunya with a fork. I can't use my hands because my nails are too long, but I am pretty sure it tastes delicious. So we have finished the cooking of the day. Yeah. So let me misbehave kidogo. I am already enjoying my my fish and my ugali, and acha niwafilisha kidogo tu. 5 seconds of heaven. So guys, thank you so much for choosing this video, and I have just realized I did not do the shout outs of the other of the other one video. Yeah, so I'm going to do the shout outs today. Sasa zitakuwa mbili because the last one na ya saa hizi. Yeah, so shout out goes to Daniel Kahio, and second goes to Ano for real. So shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Yes, you remember, if you want a shout out, remember to comment down below. Comment anything, just anything, and also follow my social media pages at Sifaireri all over, apart from TikTok. Ikona Sifaireri 26. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I don't think there's something I've forgotten today, but the food is delicious. So bye guys. Onions down, and this is what I look like. Can you see this? Who is a woman? Hey, I give up. Do you guys have any recommendation or any solutions that you don't cry when peeling onions? Jota sijaanza kukata na nikianza. That is who you are. Wait, let's sing. Miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. So everything is ready. Achani niwaambie nilijichocha, but hii ugali, hey, I just needed somebody to help me. And guess who came through? My bro.